guys got 3,000 by the sci-fi bro.
Buy the jetpacks.
Ooga, ooga, ooga,
No, don't buy a jetpack.
Slow down. No, you're going past the speed limit, buddy.
I know.
Hi, Jesus.
Now get out. See.
Get on it!
You. Shame.
I am going to ride this plane. Okay, go! Drive! Yeah! There we go. And that's how you get a free plane ride. I'm airdropping. Oh, there. No. Catch that plane! Catch that plane!
Push him under, guys.
Push him under the ground! Push it under! Push it under!
Me, no.
Oh, we pushed it under! Hey. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Free ride. Where are we going? Run. Ruin? Oh. Thanks for the free plane ride, buddy.
Yeah, I'm on the ride.
Let's go.
No,
don't want me. Who said you could float? Who said that you could defy the laws of physics and gravity? Who said that? No! This... Hop!
Bro, I don't know what happened.
No.
Oh. Skirt? Let me on your plane. Let me on. Yeah, where are we going? Yeah, we broke it. Hey, I'm staying on your plane. No, I'm not. Hey. Wait, no. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh shoot! Oh.
What are you doing, buddy? Come on, buddy. Let me ride.
Godzilla.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for the, 23 subscribers. Just started a little bit ago and we're already doing really good. So, I'm not even going to ask you to subscribe. Everybody's already subscribed, which is pretty good. So, if you would like to subscribe, then do it, but you don't have to. Thank you, and bye.